Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to reset your internet connection in Windows 11. So in the first step, click on search bar and type here Troubleshoot Settings and click here to open it. Now just scroll down and click on other troubleshooters. Then click on internet connections and it will try to reset your internet connection. Now close this. Let's move to the next step. Again, go to search bar and type ncmd, run it as with administrator. Now these commands are really important. To avoid mistakes, just copy all commands from the description below and paste it on command prompt and hit enter to execute them. Here we go. Once done, close this command prompt. Again, go to the next step, go to search bar and type settings. Click here to open it. Then go to network and internet. On the right side, just scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Again, scroll down, click on network reset and just simply click on reset now. It will take some time to complete this process. Once done, close this window and simply restart your system. And here we go. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.